GM 6-cut, H keyway, making new keys, or replacing lost keys. Take the rubber washer off. Take this clip out. Take the tailpiece off. When customers are watching this, it always freaks them out thinking that you're messing up their lock. But this is always how GM 6-cuts have worked. You peel off the faceplate, save the spring face. This is garbage. There's 2 small springs here. Drop the cylinder out. Then we're going to hold the sidebar down and pick the lock until it falls. And then we're going to use the GM decoder to tell us the cuts. So it looks like we have 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, and 3, I think. So we're going to try that with our trusty Curtis number 14 clipper. 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3. Double check it. Looks like the very tip one's wrong. So that happens. I'm going to pick it again. Double check that last cut. Which seems to be a 4 possibly instead. So we can cut down the key from 3 to 4. I'm going to try it again. The sidebar falls all the way down. I'm going to put it back in and check it. Pull the key out. Put these 2 small springs back in. Use your dust cover faceplate. Balance it on top of the springs. Flip it upside down. Make sure that's centered before you do it. And then we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to press down the tabs. on all four sides just to hold it. Then we're going to come back push them the rest of the way down so that it sits up against the skin of the body correctly. Okay, check the key. Works. Put the tailpiece back on. And this little clip back on. And twist it until the notch lines up. And press that back down. And don't forget to put your washer back on. And that's it. We have a GM 6-cut, new key. Spray some lubricant on there and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks.